Hey YouTube, I'm going to talk about 3 problems if you buy cycling sunglasses from Amazon.com, Temu, AliExpress. I've got the photometric ones on here. That means when it's dark, they get lighter, and when it's light, they get darker. These are about 20 euros. Can't remember the brand name. Some weird jumbled up bunch of letters that hardly make sense. And I got some night vision ones as well for the cycling I do in the dark. Now, these are a better example. The 3 main problems are that, number 1, they don't cover the whole of the eye properly, and when you're cycling, little bits fly underneath and hit the lower eyelid, and there's loads of bits flying around. If you're in an inner city, there's bits from cars, bits from trees. In Belgium, the weather's always bad, it's windy, and so you can feel bits flying underneath. Now, number 1, they don't protect you. Number 2, they just look awkward because it's like it sits too far up, so it's covering my lower forehead and above my eyebrows. And number 3, this part for the bridge of your nose, that is just cheap, nasty plastic which digs in. So you just end up throwing them away, basically. And now the visuals they use on Amazon, Temu, AliExpress will show like a model with these perfect fitting sunglasses, and it will say UV this, photometric that. You can even see this got a special sticker, UV 400 protection. And when you actually get them, it's the cheapest, nastiest, most uncomfortable plastic. Now, I just want to compare this to Decathlon ones. Decathlon ones always have this kind of symbol here, usually. And when I put these on and I push them all the way back, you can see how much more of my face and under the eye it protects. These are the more wraparound ones. I reviewed these in a different video. But I've even got another example here. These are I'm at the beach and I think I'm cool. But again, they cover much more of the eye, so the eye feels like it's in the middle. Whereas on these awkward made in China ones, they don't look right, but it feels more like things can fly underneath, and it's got too far up here because Asian people's noses are just a little bit lower. They don't have this prominent part of the bridge here, and so I believe on an Asian person it would be more like that. And their eyes are in the center. So let me know what you think. If you've got any comments or questions, stick them below. Please like and subscribe for more reviews on Amazon and Decathlon products. Thanks.